Hi, this is Pranav. Today we will discuss, is it the right time to invest into gold? What happens if you look at the recent market condition, interest rates are going up drastically. If you look at the last year, 1 year performance in the equity market is minus 2%. I'm taking approx figures. If you look at the last 1 month performance in the equity market is almost more than 5% down. I'm taking approx figures. So the point which I'm trying to make it, why this is happening, or there are a lot of investors thinks that they should invest it, or the gold is the right product to invest or not. Because if you look at the gold prices have crossed almost 60K also. So let me tell you the basic structure, how the correlation happens. When the interest rate goes up, the yield also goes up, and when the bond yield goes up, the dollar also gets strengthened, and indirectly the gold prices comes down, and the equity market to also have the hammers. Why this happens? Because the money goes into the safe haven in the Fed account, government securities. So people change the mindset from here to there. Now what is the current scenario? If you look at, there is a turmoil happened in the US market as well. A lot of banks got collapsed, and there are other people are coming to save them. Because of that, the Fed will not go more drastically in the future the way they have gone in the last 6 months. If they do it, the 70% banks will have a huge amount of damage. It is not the banks having less money with them. It is they have invested into certain products, and the products is like mostly FIs, fixed incomes. When the interest rate goes up, the par value comes down. If the depositor wants that money back, they have to sell it at the loss, and the loss is not small amount. Just imagine, for every 1% upside in the interest rate, approximately 5% par value gets impacted. So from 0% to almost 6% in the US market, the interest rate has gone up. So just imagine the kind of impact would have happened on the par value. Having said that, coming back to the main point, is it the right time to invest into gold? Yes, of course, it is the right time to invest into the gold, because if you look at, the interest rate has gone drastically on the upside. Still, there is no much downside in the gold market. If you look at the last 14 years, for last 8 years average return, gold has given a 14% return, and mutual fund has given 15.6% return. So almost the gold is like, of course, the great investment in the long term as well. If you look at the last 1 month's return, the gold has given 4% return. Gold is treated as a physical asset. Gold is treated as a safe haven asset. What happens when there is a war or anything happens, the particular country's currency get devalued. So in the case of gold, it won't happen. If you look at the currently interest rates are going up, but still there is no much impact on the gold, because of there is a chaos happening in the geopolitics, Russia and Ukraine, Europe and US versus Russia. So these are the things happening, and that's one of the reason the gold is not yet much hammered. So moving forward in the future, the gold will go up drastically. This is what we feel. There is, if you wanted to invest, or do your own analysis, and after that you can take that decision as well. What the history has said, if you look at the 7 to 8 years perspective, gold has doubled. So from this what 2023 to 2030, 7 years, the gold may touch 1x. Like, currently rate is 60K, it may go more than 1 lakh. So this is what the history has told us. So if you wanted to invest into gold, think over it. If you have any doubt or question on the gold investment part, or any other equity related product, you can always pin us on the WhatsApp, or you can mention in the comment box. Let me tell you this as well. The government in the US has started printing the more money. They have clearly stated $300 billion will be invested back to banks, but the interest rate will not come down immediately. That says the liquidity again coming into the market. So this is the major point, you can think over it. This is the news which may have impact on the equity markets and the gold prices as well. Think over it. Thank you for your time. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.